Welcome to iTech tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to construct angle 52.5 degree using 45 and 60 degree set square as basis. The first step you are to take is to draw a horizontal line. I have already done this step. The next thing I will do is to draw a line inclined to the horizontal line at 105 degrees. I will do so using my 60 and 45 degree set square. Next, I will draw an arc placing my compass on the point where the lines intersect. Now I will bisect the angle formed by the two lines. I will indicate the angle I obtained. I have successfully construct angle 52.5 using my 60 and 45 degree set square as basis.